In the world of leadership, changemakers rise, break barriers, and inspire transformation. They are the ones who dare to dream, who dare to believe, and who dare to lead. Introducing our groundbreaking program for women in leadership. In the dynamic and evolving landscape of leadership, a profound shift is underway. Welcome to an extraordinary journey that will help you unlock your true potential. Our courses are designed to help you step into your power, own your success, and lead with confidence. Are you prepared to reshape your leadership story? Our courses are more than just programs. They're powerful solutions to pressing challenges. Our Overcoming Imposter Syndrome course provides the tools to shatter self-doubt and unleash the leader within you. Negotiation skills for women bridges the gender gap in negotiation outcomes, empowering you to thrive in the boardroom and in everyday life. In empowering your leadership journey, you'll discover your unique leadership style, hone your decision-making skills, and tackle gender-related challenges head-on. And leadership presence and personal branding for women will help you craft a brand that's authentically you, leaving a lasting impression on your professional world. The glass ceiling is real, but we're here to help you shatter it. Our strategies, skills, and unwavering support will guide you past gender-related obstacles. Leading with emotional intelligence empowers you to harness emotions for leadership success. Leading with strategies for work-life integration is your guide to achieving balance while excelling professionally. And leading through change and uncertainty equips you with the resilience and confidence to navigate the unknown. These courses are not just about acquiring knowledge, they're about transformation. Join our Women in Leadership programs today, and together, let's redefine what leadership looks like. Our CPD accredited courses are available in London, and if you're not based in London, don't worry. We'll bring the learning to you in-house. The time for change is now. Be a leader who leaves a lasting mark. Enroll today and embrace the leader within you. Contact us today. Embrace your power, own your success, and lead with confidence. Join us and become the leader you were meant to be.